Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the panel on your TM31 isn't responding, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to various reasons, such as a faulty connection or worn-out components. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, making your device completely unusable. To get started on this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement panel. First, ensure that the Thermomix is unplugged and completely powered down. To open the device safely, begin by removing the screws located at the back of the Thermomix using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing with the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the panel connection. It's typically situated near the front of the device. This is the component that is likely causing the issue. Carefully disconnect the panel from its connector by pulling it straight out with your tweezers. When extracting it, apply gentle, even pressure to avoid damaging any surrounding parts. Once the faulty panel is removed, take your replacement panel and connect it in the same manner, ensuring it clicks securely into place. After reassembling the device, make sure to replace all the screws you removed earlier, tightening them adequately but not overly so, to prevent stripping. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Lastly, before closing the casing, plug in your Thermomix to check that the new panel is functioning correctly. If everything works as it should, secure the casing back on, ensuring all clips are engaged properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to keep the device clean and free from moisture, as this can affect the connections over time. Regular maintenance can also prolong the life of your Thermomix. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.